So you're in your chair, and now we'll use words to guide us to to experience of fulfillment within ourselves. And so in your chair or on your cushion or wherever you find yourself, we're moving the focus now inward and away from the conversation, and just feeling into your body in the chair, and then noticing the sweet breath that is, for many of us, an anchor to start this process. Because one thing we can know for sure, if we're breathing, and as long as we're alive, we're breathing. And it's easy to take that for granted. It's easy for that to happen unconsciously and normal, right? But when we practice this meditation and we come to this breath, it's our doorway to awareness. Because instead of just breathing unconsciously, we can be aware that we're breathing. And when you start to just notice that, concentrate on that, you may already notice there's a sense of calm and peace and kind of relaxation. It feels good. And for a few seconds, maybe there's no thoughts and you're just completely present to the breath. But certainly things come up, noises that will annoy you. But you're here sitting, and so the noise can come and go, and the annoyance can come and go. And would that be okay? Would that be different? And you feel through your body, and maybe you have a pain in your knee or your back or your hip. And along with that pain, there's resistance to pain. There's fear that the pain might get worse. There's an aversion to pain. But what if you brought all of this into awareness and let pain be there? And maybe you just need to shift your body, which would be fun. And then, of course, the brain may be racing right now. with thoughts. Or maybe you're trying to suppress your thoughts. But the awareness can know exactly what's going on. And maybe right now there's no emotions or thoughts happening, but maybe you can recall a time when you've been desirous of something, when you have an idea of what would be fulfilling for you. Or some kind of wish that you had that things could be different. The stress of this pandemic that we live in, it's just kind of always there. And we can't be fulfilled until we have a vaccine. We can't be fulfilled unless other people are wearing a mask. Or maybe if people are wearing a mask, that may make you unfulfilled wherever you stand on this. Just bring all of these things into a place where they can be seen for what they are. And from the place of seeing, from the place of mindful awareness, a place that you just experience what's happening, is completely whole. There's a sense of relief. Maybe you aren't your thoughts. Maybe that old adage, you are what you think, isn't actually true. And maybe connecting to this deeper inner dimension makes a lot of those things irrelevant in this present moment. those things that make us suffer are going to come and go. And they're going to change with the next new craze, the next news story. But no matter what comes and goes, there's the part of us that remains indestructible. And questions come and the mind goes, and now you're paying attention again. And so in the paying attention, rest there. Rest as spacious awareness. And realize for yourself what is fulfillment. Your mind can be questioning and racing and wanting. But maybe waking up from those thoughts to experience this dimension will lead to different ideas of fulfillment and different ways to move in the world, different ways to relate to people that may be more fulfilling, may attract different people, attract different jobs. Maybe have some space to find another place to live. And it doesn't happen after one of these meditations. And so you can use this process over and over. Just go back to the breath, back to the body. Become aware of what's happening in the present moment in the body. Become aware of thoughts and emotions as best you can. Keep practicing. Rest as awareness. And give yourself the gift of returning home and enjoy the fruits of your work. And we can make the world a better place. And so now we'll close. Just bring yourself back. Feel your body. take 3 deep breaths. And then open your eyes and stretch. Feel your body.